In this video, we're going to show you how to migrate from Etsy to Shopify without losing SEO. Migrating from Etsy to Shopify is a big step for any online seller. It gives you more control over your brand, website design, customer data, and marketing. However, one of the biggest concerns during migration is losing SEO traffic, rankings, and visibility on search engines. If done incorrectly, you can lose organic traffic from Google, break existing links, and damage your store's search performance. But if done properly, you can preserve your SEO and even improve it over time. The good news is that with the right setup, you can move your products, structure your store correctly, and redirect traffic safely to your new Shopify site. By the end of this video, you'll know how to migrate from Etsy to Shopify without losing SEO. So let's get started. The first method is to prepare your Etsy store data. Log into your Etsy shop and export your product listings if possible using Etsy's data tools or third-party export tools. Collect important SEO-related data such as product titles, descriptions, tags, images, and URLs. This information will help you rebuild your listings in Shopify with consistent SEO structure. Next, set up your Shopify store. Create your Shopify account and configure your basic store settings, such as domain, currency, and theme. Make sure your store is ready before importing any products. Then, import your Etsy products into Shopify. You can use CSV files or migration apps from the Shopify App Store to transfer your listings. While importing, ensure your product titles and descriptions are optimized and consistent with your Etsy content to maintain keyword relevance. Next, focus on URL and SEO structure. Etsy uses a different URL system, so you cannot directly transfer URLs to Shopify. To prevent traffic loss, set up 301 redirects from your old Etsy product links if you have custom landing pages or shared links to the corresponding Shopify product pages. If you have an existing website or blog linking to your Etsy shop, update those links to point to your new Shopify store. Then, configure SEO settings in Shopify. Edit your product page titles, meta descriptions, and URLs, or handles, to match your target keywords. Keep URLs clean, short, and descriptive for better search visibility. Next, submit your Shopify sitemap to Google Search Console. This helps Google index your new store faster and understand your updated structure. Monitor indexing and fix any crawl errors after migration. Finally, test your new Shopify store thoroughly. Check product pages, navigation, mobile experience, and loading speed. Make sure all links work correctly and your SEO metadata is properly set. In most cases, following these steps will help you migrate from Etsy to Shopify without losing SEO performance. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, export and prepare your Etsy product data. Second, import products into Shopify with consistent SEO structure. And third, set up redirects, optimize SEO settings, and monitor Google indexing. Remember that SEO preservation during migration depends on consistency, proper redirects, and fast indexing of your new store. Taking time to plan your migration carefully will protect your rankings and even give you a chance to improve them. And that's how you migrate from Etsy to Shopify without losing SEO. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.